Hi, I'm Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Now, I'm gonna show you how to make delicious dip with the name of Baba Ghanoush. Baba Ghanoush is simply roasted eggplants mixed with tahini sauce. Let's see how we're gonna make it. Okay, we take our eggplants, we trim just the top. We're gonna remove the skin, carefully removing the skin. It's gonna come out really easily. Now we have those beautiful eggplants, all soft and ready to be chopped. Just first cut them in big chunks, chop it. Put it in here. I'm gonna add this creamy sesame sauce. Little bit of olive oil. Mix in the olive oil. So this is smoked paprika. I'll add a little bit of lemon for a citrusy flavor. Little bit of salt. Okay, we sprinkle a little bit of freshly ground black pepper here. Some fresh parsley. Now let's plate our Baba Ghanoush. Now I'm gonna put my last touches on the Baba Ghanoush. So the smoked paprika, parsley, little bit of fresh herbs, drizzle of oil for a lovely glistening magical surface. I do hope that you try this simple recipe at home. As you see, it's not complicated at all. Leave a comment below and wait for me. I'll come back with another interesting recipe for the Mediterranean region.